If you felt like you're working harder and harder and not getting anywhere, and if you keep hearing the words, make money online, everybody else is doing it, but you don't know how, then this video is for you. My name is Mark Hamill, or everybody calls me Pep. If you don't have tech experience, you don't even have a follower. This is for people who want to create an income, but don't want to work long hours on the computer because they don't have the experience. And forget about plan B. As soon as you have a plan B, it's called an easy way out. Never mind plan B. Stick with plan A and work it consistently and hard. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they're confused. They don't understand. They jump from idea to idea. And that's where I step in. I give you a blueprint plan that you get to follow step by step. It's not super strict. You just follow it. You learn at your own pace. You mold the program to your shape, to your desires. You work 2 hours a day to maintain your program. My turning point was when I looked and said, I'm not looking for the next shiny thing anymore. I just want something that works. Now here's the simple truth. An online program works because it's simple. It's a step-by-step program. It's not a gamble. This blueprint has very clear steps, proven tools, training made for beginners like me, because I had no clue, and support, because every good business has lots of support. We have groups, mentoring, seven-figure earners teaching you what they've done right and what they've done wrong so you don't copy them. If you don't have any experience in building an online business, you don't have any followers or even information, the one thing that I don't rely on anymore is relying on one single source for income, especially with the political turmoil going on now. You could be let go. You can be replaced. I have multiple income streams online right now. Some of these assets and income streams will continue long after I'm gone, creating an income, not just for my wife, my kids, but my grandkids as well. That's what I teach you. That's what all our mentors teach as well. It's the very same program I've followed for the last year. And yes, I've been able to create an income online. And if you're thinking, well, it sounds great, but I'm not very tech savvy, it's okay, neither was I. This system, you get to learn as you earn. You get improved with time. Doesn't matter what job you've ever done, you've improved with time. You find shortcuts, you find better things that work for you and maybe not the next person. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about setting yourself up for the future so it doesn't look scary. So you're not stuck in training for hours upon hours, dollars after dollars. It's a one-time purchase at whatever level you want to start. If you want to see the exact blueprint that I use to get started, if you want a beginner-friendly pattern, one that works, one that creates an income for you and your family, and you're ready to stop guessing at what shiny object to go to next, or you're tired of working that one-off job, maybe cutting someone's lawn, repainting a room, whatever it is you're doing as a side hustle, this is a better way. If you want to learn how to do this program, you can build something that actually lasts, something that you can do anywhere in the world at any given time as long as you can get online. Click interested in this comment or click the link below. It'll take you there. You'll be able to do it. Be able to get started. Get started today.